Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study the English language. Starting your English journey effectively involves setting clear, achievable goals. Begin by building a strong vocabulary, focusing on the 1,000 most common words. Simultaneously, master basic grammar rules and sentence structures. This foundational work, perhaps dedicating 20 to 30 minutes daily, will provide a solid base for all future learning. To truly progress, immerse yourself in English daily. Watch movies and TV shows, listen to podcasts, and read articles. Actively practice speaking with native speakers or language exchange partners for at least 15 minutes each day. Additionally, try writing a daily journal or short stories in English. This consistent engagement, perhaps for 45 minutes to 1 hour, will significantly boost your fluency and confidence. Once you have a solid foundation, it is time to refine your skills. Delve into advanced grammar concepts and idiomatic expressions, which are crucial for natural communication. Read diverse English texts, from novels to academic papers, to expand your comprehension and vocabulary. Also, actively listen to various accents and speaking styles to improve your understanding in different contexts. This deeper dive will elevate your proficiency. Consistency is key to long-term success in language learning. Dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to English study, even on busy days. Regularly review all learned material, perhaps once every 3 days, to reinforce your memory and prevent forgetting. Finally, actively seek feedback on your speaking and writing from teachers or advanced speakers. This continuous cycle of learning, practice, and review ensures steady progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.